Hey, what's up? What's up, family? Greetings, greetings, greetings. This is Chief Kalanago, and we are live. Let me just make sure we're good on YouTube and we are good on Facebook. Give me a second here, guys. Let me just get this together. All right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, put the volume down on that. Volume is down on that. Do me a favor, guys, while you are tuning in, go ahead and share this link on your respective platforms if you don't mind, because you know me. I'm about that financial literacy. You feel me? That's what I'm about right now. Sharing that information, teaching the people about money. You heard? That's what it's about. So with that being said, I want to give thanks. Hold on. Oh, we good. We good. All right. I want to acknowledge my ancestors, giving thanks to the Great Spirit, acknowledging the Great Spirit. And I'm just so thankful that I'm gifted, with those gifts, because I'm able to bring information to you, to enlighten you. And man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I want to say congratulations to the young brother who joined our team this evening. Family, we are exploding. I'm telling you, because people are realizing that this is one thing y'all have to learn is this, right? During every recession, keep that in mind. During every recession that potentially turns into a depression, people become millionaires. And that's what a lot of you are missing. But you know what? I'm going to keep dropping that information because my goal is to help at least 100 to 1,000 people become financially independent, at least make $10,000 a month. That's my goal. So congratulations to the young brother who joined our team earlier, and we are making moves. So now, what do banks do with your money? What do you know about money? Of course, I've done videos breaking that down for you, but let us just kind of like go over what these banks, these hedge funds, your 401ks, your big companies, etc., do you know what they do with your money, right? A lot of times you take your money, that used to be the thing to do, right? Take your money, put it in a 401k, and not realizing that you were paying so much taxes. And even if it's your money, they took your money and they invested it, all right? And yet still they were killing you with, with taxes. Anyway, that's a thing of the past, right? Then we are taught to put our money in a bank, right, where it's supposed to be safe. But think about it, right? And I like to break things down because I look at the word, right? In the beginning was the word, and the word was with the Most High, and the word became the Most High. The word became flesh. So we always have to look at the words, right? Look at the banks. Banks control what? They control currencies. Now, a currency is not supposed to be stagnant. A currency, current, it's supposed to be flowing. So why do you think when you put your money in a bank that it stays in the bank? No, family, no. Your money don't stay in the bank. Okay, that's why hence it's called currency. It has to keep flowing. It has to keep flowing. So the money don't stay in the bank. Let us look at an example. Go look at a river. A river has what? A river has two banks. Doesn't the banks control the flow of the currency of the current? The current of the currency of the river is the same thing. It's not stagnant. So when it comes to your bank, money is called currency, flowing. So therefore, when you put it in the bank, they have to do something with it. So what do? That begs the question. The banks invest your money. I'm gonna give you a typical example. If you put $200 in the bank promises you 1% annually. So that's $200. 1% of that is literally what? I think it's what? $2, I think? No, they promise you, 1%. So I think that's 1% of 200. Somebody help me here. 1% of 200, I think that's actually about $1. Okay. So, or not $2, because $200, right? So with that being said, you will potentially make about $2 for the entire year for putting $200 in the bank. But what does the bank do? The bank take your money and they put it in the Forex market. I have broken that down to you guys before. The Forex market, Forex basically stands for foreign exchange. Okay. Forex stands for foreign exchange, where it's an exchange of currencies. Okay. An exchange, yes, $2. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, Krinja. All right. So you're getting $2 on that. All right. So with that being said, when the banks put your money in the Forex market, they compound your money. What does that mean? They invest it in the Forex market and then they leave it in there and then they compound the interest that it makes. So in 90 days, your $200 potentially turns into $1 million every 90 days. But the banks turn around and say they're going to give you 1%. But the question, let me ask you a question. Do you really make 1%? No. Why? Because they got bank fees. So why is it called a saving account? When you're not saving anything, you are actually paying. All right. So that's another way we were tricked. Okay. So now for a lot of you who don't know what Forex is, and you may not have participated in Forex, check this out. If you have ever been out of the country and you went into a country where they had a different currency from the US and you changed your money, okay, or you converted your money rather, then you participated in Forex. The question is, when during the conversion, did you make money or did you lose money based on the fluctuation of the money, the exchange rate? So you could either lose money or gain money. That means you have participated in Forex trading. Also, if you bought something from Amazon and it came from China, you participated in foreign exchange. You see what I'm saying? So keep those things in mind. So definitely, if you have been to Nigeria and you had to change your money to the Nigerian money, then you participated in Forex trading. Okay? So that's what the banks do. So for a lot of you who don't know, I'm going to show you a chat right now, right? Let me share my screen real quick and we're going to break that down. Because I'm showing you guys, man, there's a lot of things you guys want to, need to learn, and I'm willing to teach y'all, okay? Because I'm learning myself, but me, I like to pass on the knowledge and show people the value. Now, this is a chat right here, right? And normally, a lot of times we see these things and we don't know what it means. Okay, how many people right now on this call have ever seen one of those chats right here? Go ahead and type 1 in the chat, please. Okay, and a lot of times we don't know how to read these things, but I'm telling you, just the simple skill of learning how to read these charts, you could make money in the Forex market, right? So I've told y'all this before. Those are called candles, right? They are called candlesticks. And the white candles represents, a bull. Okay, it represents a bull, meaning that the market is going up. All right. And the red candles represents a bear. It means that the market is going down. Okay. So when you see a bullish candle, you have to realize that in the market, okay, price will open up at right here. This is the open right here for a bullish candle. Why? Because bulls open from the bottom and then they close on top. And then for a bearish candle, the bears are stronger on top. They open their mouth on top. And when they attack, they close below. All right. So basically, in a bullish candle, you open below and you close, the price close on top. And then in a bearish candle, which is the red one, price opens on top and close below. Now, those little things that you see here outside the candle body. Okay. Now, the whole body of the candle is called the real body. Okay, and then the little things you see here, like the shadows, they are called wicks or shadow. They're called the candle wicks. And you could know the strength of the market based on the size of the range, the body of the candle, or the length of the wick. You will know how price is being moved. Okay. Now look at the candle. The red candles is the same thing. So what I'm saying to you guys is this: you could learn the skill of reading these charts and being able to come into the market and make money every single day. I keep telling you guys, the market, the Forex market trades literally close to $7 trillion every single day. The stock market, only 257 billion. So keep that in mind. Okay. Now you'll see where it says support. Okay. The market creates higher highs and higher lows. Okay. And lower highs I mean, lower lows and lower highs. That's what the market creates. And that's how it creates price. Now, you have what's called support. Okay. Think of it like a ball. If you take a ball and you bounce it, what goes up must come down. So let's just say this is the ball right here. You throw it up, it comes down. It hits the floor, which is support. It goes back up. And then when it goes back up, then it touches that imaginary line, which is resistance, and it comes back down to support. Now, this type of chart that you're looking at, that's called a consolidation chart. Why? Because price is not going up or price is not going down. Now, in Forex market, there's a term called, going long. Going long is when there's an uptrend, meaning that price is going up. All right, like right here from this low right here, right? If you go up that way, that would be considered an uptrend. So that means going long. When price is going down, it's called going short. All right, so this right here would be considered a consolidation chart pattern, meaning that price is not going up, it's not going down. Now, once you have learned the skill, you could still trade within those zones. You could still trade within them and still make money. Now, that's what successful people have learned, and that's what the banks are doing with your money every single day. And that's what I want you guys to learn. I'm bringing the information to you, family. That's what it's about. Okay? And I didn't know how to read these things a few months ago. Yes, I've been trading foreign currencies by buying low and selling high. But I wasn't able to read the charts. I wasn't able to go into the market and execute prices, okay? A buy or a sell. I wasn't able to do that. But now I could speak the language. Why? Because I'm learning the information, okay? And that's a skill that you could never lose. You see what I'm saying? Hence, I'm making the point. There is a reason why the rich stay rich and the poor keep getting poor. Because people perish for the lack of knowledge. You see what I'm saying? Now, oh, absolutely, absolutely. Quinja, my number is right there. That's what I'm here for, to introduce people to the information and let them know, hey, you know what? This is the pathway to learn this. Okay. So let me show you another chat real quick. All right. So that's number one right there. Consolidation. All right. That's called consolidation when price is going within that range, a horizontal pattern. Okay. Let us go to another one. And let me open that up for y'all and show you another one right here. And family, this is just one way that I make money. You see what I'm saying? That's just one way. The other way is through residual income. And we'll talk about that in a little while. So let me talk about, let's go to this one right here and show you this one. So I showed you what a consolidation chart looks like when it's going horizontal. All right. Meaning that the bulls and the bears, remember, when price is going up, it's bullish. When the price is going down, it's bearish. So when you see the consolidation range, okay, it means that neither the bulls or the bears, are not really fighting against each other that much. All right. So the battle is kind of even. So it creates a kind of like a horizontal zone. Now, this is right here is pretty much an uptrend. All right. Where price is going up. So that's called a bullish market. A bullish market is where price is going up. So therefore, when price is going up, okay, you buy. When price is going down, you sell. All right. Buy high, sell low. So that's considered an uptrend. All right. That's considered an uptrend. And at some point, so when you look at these candles right here, you will see that it's creating higher highs and higher lows. Now, this right here, that line, remember the support line. Okay. And when you read your charts, you're going to learn the skills of what's called technical analysis. Technical analysis is when you're able to look at your candles, read your candles, but there are other tools, okay, in whatever platform that you're trading on to help you make a forecast as to whether the market is going to go up, down, or is it going to go horizontal. All right. So that's called technical analysis. Now, what affects price also is called fundamental analysis. What that means is, news events that go on around the world, stories of inflation or, where there's war affecting a certain currency. All right. That's called fundamental analysis. So you could look at the news and know or get an inclination as to, or a forecast rather, as to whether price will go up or down. Now, here's another thing you got to learn about the Forex market. Even if there's an uptrend, meaning that you ever heard the term that gold is bullish or bearish? That's what it means. When you hear, anytime you hear bullish, bull, it means that price is going up. Like for now, for the past 2 days, Bitcoin was bullish. It was going up, but now it's going down a little. So now it's bearish. Okay. So when price goes up, you'll hear about the bulls. When price goes down, you'll hear about the bears. And all there is a battle against the bulls and the bears. When the bulls are winning, price go up. When the bears are winning, price go down. When nobody is winning, it creates a zone, okay, where the fight is almost equal. It creates a zone called the horizontal zone, or that range, okay? So this is what an uptrend looks like. Now, normally when you look at your candles, before the price and uptrend acceleration, you will see a long candle indicating that price might just shoot up. Now, if you were to get into this buy right here, okay, you would look at the previous candles. Now, the market go from left to right, okay? The market goes from left to right. So let's say that was the current price right here. What you would do is you would literally go into the market. Now you're going for a buy, create your entry, and what you want to do, there's something called a stop loss, all right, where you want to set your stop loss just in case the market retraces, all right, and goes back down. It hits your stop loss and your trade closes. But also you want to put your take profit. So when the market reach a certain level, okay, a certain point of resistance in your buy, then you're able to take that profit. All right. And the key to trading or learning to trade is literally controlling your risk. What does that mean? You want to control your risk with what they call stop losses. Okay. Just in case the market reverses, you will not lose money and deplete your account. So once it hit your stop loss, it takes you out of the trade immediately. All right. So all those things you are going to learn. Okay. All those things you're going to learn. So remember, when market is going up, you buy. When market is going down, you sell. All right. Now this pair right there is the euro versus the USD. Okay, so that's all right. So keep that in mind. All right, the euro and all these pairs, they have abbreviations that you call them, like euro. The EUR it represents euro, and of course the USD is the United States dollar. All right, just so you know. And there are about 8 major currency pairs, and you will learn that as well, and you will learn to trade that. So you have major currency pairs, you have minor currency pairs, and you have exotic currency pairs. And when you learn what we are teaching you, then you will learn all these terminologies and pretty much start learning to master the art of trading. Okay, you will learn that. All right, so let's close that out, and let me show you another. So I showed you a consolidation pattern. I showed you an uptrend pattern. Now I'm going to show you a downtrend pattern. Okay, just the basics, just introducing y'all to the basics to let y'all know, like, this is serious, and that's what you need to learn. I'm telling you right now, there are teenagers right now killing this, and that's what I love about this, because it's giving our young people a chance to do what millionaires are doing. Okay, and I'm talking about literally about 4 days ago, a 23-year-old, okay, built his business in residual income in our business, and now he's making $100,000 every single month. Y'all think this is a game, all right? But I'm here bringing the information to you. You do what you want with it, okay? Now, this right here is a downtrend. Okay, hold on for a second, guys. My screen just kind of closed out on me. Okay, so this is a downtrend. Now, for those of you that was listening, in a downtrend, what do? Do you buy or do you sell? Can anybody tell me? All right, uptrend is the bulls. All right, in a downtrend, it is the bears. So in a bearish, so this is considered a bearish market. In a bearish market, Do you buy or do you sell? Can anybody tell me? Let me see who's paying attention. Absolutely. That's right. That's right. That's right, Queen John. You sell. When price is going down, you sell. Okay, so you buy, you buy low, all right? You sell when price is going down, okay? Buy high, sell low. Okay? So here we are. So now this is considered to be a downtrend. So what you're gonna do is when you get into the market, you have to first find your point of entry to execute to get into the market. Now you're gonna learn, of course, when we, in our university, you're gonna learn all these candles. All right, you know what they mean, the size of the candle, the type of candle. Oh, you're gonna learn these things. Like take for instance, these candles right here, could be considered to be a spinning top, right? This candle right here is a doji. A doji is a neutral pattern. Okay, it's a neutral pattern where the buyers and the sellers, they have the equal power. The market open and close at the same time, okay, of the day. So keep that in mind. Remember, I told y'all this is the wick of the candle, and based on the length of the candle, like take for instance, if I was to look at that candle and analyze that candle, I know this is a bullish candle, but look at the wick of the candle. So I could tell because of the wick of the candle, I could tell that sellers came in and put some pressure on the buyers. That's why the next candle, all right, right here happens to be a bearish candle because it has a long wick. That means that sellers came in and put some pressures on the buyers. Now, when you see a green candle, it's a bullish candle. It means that the price opens at the bottom of the body, okay, and it closes at the top. But in the close, because the sellers put so much pressure based on the length of the wick, we happen to have what? We happen to have a little bearish candle. And then what happens? Okay, even if the bears came in, right, and at the close, they open, but guess what? Buyers came back and put some pressure, and what? You saw another green candle, but it wasn't strong enough to violate the trend line. So the trend remained a downtrend. So you see all that money you could make. And based on the length of the candle, or not necessarily the length of the candle, the movement of the price, that's what's called a pip. And that's something that we'll go over in another video. But we get paid based on pips. Okay, based on pips. All right, family. So this is considered to be a downtrend. All right. And I'm just giving you guys some, basic information to let you know how we are changing our lives. All right. This is what we are learning. This is a skill that you could never, never, never lose. Okay. All right. Definitely. I mean, if you just by learning you realizing that when price go down, you buy. That's how I became a six-figure currency earner, by just literally learning that information. Okay, and things are getting better and better. So with that being said, family, I just wanted to come, just show you guys some of the things that I've been learning in our university, and I'm actually earning money while I'm learning. I'm telling you, man, this is so amazing. It's not even funny. I'm telling you seriously. And what's so impressive is that the youth, our younger people, are getting this. I'm talking about, 19 to 23 to 24, 25-year-olds, okay, that have mastered, Forex trading. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So if you are actually on here right now, or you're going to see this video and you're just sick and tired of being sick and tired, man, of the 9 to 5 and the hustle and the bustle, you just can't seem to find your way out. Listen, I got a way for you. All right. Our team is moving. It's amazing. Our team is moving amazingly. All right. So with that being said, hey, listen, it's all beautiful. If in life, anytime you stop learning, then you stop growing, period. So like I said, my number is actually on here. So just send me a text. I will definitely make sure you get the information, and love for you to be part of our team, of our economic, group economic building team. That's what we are doing. we are practicing group economics, and we are learning this skill together. And at the same time, we are building a residual income business. All right. So I'm literally, getting money from two different sides of the spectrum, building residual and learning how to trade. You see what I'm saying? And that's how the wealthy continue to get wealthy and stay wealthy, while broke people change jobs. It's really that simple. Okay, so it's nothing personal. I'm just telling you the facts and giving you the facts of life. It's really that simple. All right, keep in mind. Okay, successful people build networks. All right, successful people build networks, and broke people chase jobs. Always remember that. Okay, so with that being said, I look forward to your text, and I will definitely plug you in for those people who are seriously looking to change their lives and learn a skill that they could literally do anywhere in the world on their cell phone, their tablet, or their computer. It doesn't matter where you are at. You could learn to trade on your phone and make money. All right. And the beauty about this is this, right? While we are learning, the professional traders that are teaching us, they give us trade alerts. So we could place the exact same trades that they are posting, all right, and making a killing in the Forex market. Can you imagine $7 trillion a day? And you could tap into that and get as much as you want? Man, I'm telling y'all, man, y'all just don't know what y'all missing. But like I will always say, you could never say Chief Kalinago didn't put y'all on. That's one thing I know I won't be guilty of, because I'm always coming to bring the information that I'm learning and showing you guys. Okay, like I said, I've been trading currencies for a couple years now, but I just didn't know how to read charts and do all that stuff. But I'm telling you, I know how to do that now, and I'm still learning. But a few months ago, I couldn't do what I just showed you. You know what I'm saying? And that's just a little yep. That's just I'm telling you, man, this is beautiful, Queen. This is beautiful. People don't realize, like, there is an option. There's another way. As a matter of fact, let me before I go, let me just put the link for this build in here. And if anybody want to come join me and build, man, what I'm saying, let's talk about this amazing information I just shared here. You know what I mean? So just click on, and I'll be on here for like maybe another 13 minutes, but you could join me, and let's make this thing happen. Okay, but just so you know, the Forex market is where it's at right now. Okay, the Forex market is where it's. I'm literally 7 days a week, 5.5 days. Okay, 24 hours a day. 5.5 days a week you could trade. Okay, you could trade in the London market, you could trade in the New York market, and you could trade in the Asian market. Okay, the London market is at 2. I think it starts at 2 a.m. Then the New York market starts at 8, and I think the Asian market starts at 4 or 5, I think, and all that's Eastern time. All right, and then we teach you when is the best time to trade, the best days to trade, what are the best currencies to trade. We teach you all that stuff. Okay. Well, it's not just an app. You have to get a broker. You cannot trade without a broker. So whatever broker that you get, I'm certainly sure they will have, but most of it is pretty much, we use MetaTrader 4 and TradingView. So we do our analysis on TradingView, and then we kind of like execute our trades on MetaTrader 4. All right. So I see I have a guest. I'm gonna invite her on and ask her to introduce herself. How you doing, my beautiful sister? How you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
All right, no doubt. Go ahead and tell everybody who you are, and let's talk a little bit about what I'm talking about.
Are you still live on YouTube?
Yeah, we live. Everybody's
Oh, okay. My name's Jay. It's Queen Jay.
All right. Okay, Queen Jay.
Yeah, I'm from VA.
Oh, were you from VA?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up. Welcome, man. I like the fact that you said you were doing a little bit of trading already. Do me a favor. Turn your volume down just a little bit, because I'm getting feedback.
All right.
Beautiful. Okay, so Do me a favor, right? I like to talk about people's why. Now, what motivates you and what's your why for getting up every single day and wanting to be successful? What's your why?
I'm a nurse, so helping my people. Yeah, that's what I do every day.
Okay, so you're a nurse. That's beautiful. So you're considered an essential worker, right?
Yes.
Well, you know what? Let me just say, first of all, I want to thank you for, just putting yourself in that position. Because, just by exposing yourself, whether people think it's real or not, something is going on. And the
thank you.
So I really appreciate that. And for me, my goal is to make sure that people such as yourself and hardworking people, they find another way and they have different options. You see what I'm saying? Now, let me ask you a question. What if I tell you right now, as a nurse, I could show you how to give yourself a raise for at least $400 to $1,000 every single month? Would that make sense to you?
Yes.
Exactly, and that's
I'm about to try to join.
Say that again.
I said I wanted to join. I heard about Forex before.
Okay, yeah. I mean, Forex. What have you heard about Forex?
I just know it's a trading company. Or it's a trading business.
Oh, well, yes, for the most part. So Forex is not a trading company. Forex stands for foreign exchange, right?
Okay, see, that's something new I didn't even know. So yeah.
It stands for foreign exchange, and the abbreviation is FX, right? And in the foreign market, basically what's happening is people are trading currency, commodities, indices, gold, silver. I'm talking about even oil is being traded sometimes in the Forex market, right? So what that means, there are $7 trillion being traded every single day, and it's not in one bank. It's interbank, that it goes from hand to hand. So as soon as you buy a currency, you are selling another one. So the money is never in one person's hands. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes. And then what you do is you teach the skill of how to go into the market, learn to read the candles, learn to read what they're seeing, and then execute your buy or sell.
That's what I do right now. Like I learned, I just didn't know the names was like upsell, downsell, stuff like that. But I had just jumped right into it like 2 years ago. And I didn't even know what I was doing, but I learned how to read that chart. So once I learned how to read that chart, I would check every week how the chart goes up and down. And I would check every month and every year. So I keep track of, where the numbers are at, the percentage. So then, so I use that to, put a few dollars in this, put a few dollars in this. And then that's how I start getting money on returns. But it's like the same thing I've heard, like, with Bitcoin. So me and my husband, my husband's Nigerian. So, I send money through Bitcoin to him like almost every day. And he's able to sell it for higher. So, and I've heard that Nigeria has the biggest, trading like in the whole world.
Well, not really, because actually,
I mean, according to the website, I don't know. According to the website,
I mean, website will say what they want, but there's 3 different markets, right? There is the Asian market, and then you have the London market, and then you have the New York market. All right. Now the largest trading market is the London market. Yes. Why? Because London has the oldest banking system. All right. Now it doesn't mean it's the most volatile. And what I mean by that is volatility basically stands for the volume, the amount of people in that time particular trading. So the most volatile is when the New York session overlaps the New York, the London session. That's the most busiest time to trade and the most volatile. Okay, so you're going to learn all that once you become part of our team. And the beauty about this is when you become part of our team, you're able to do this and have business partners in 150 countries. And guess what? Nigeria is one of them.
Yes.
All right. So I would definitely love to show you the information, and then we'd love to have you as part of the team. And the first thing I want to do for you is, once you become part of the team, I'm going to show you how to give yourself a raise on your job. If you have a W-2 or W-4, I can show you how to give yourself a raise for a minimum of $400 to almost $1,000 every single month on your check.
Okay, that's through 401k.
No, just period. Just because the government have mandated over 400 deductions for people with home-based businesses. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So what we're doing is a legitimate home-based business. So therefore, I can show you how to give yourself a raise.
Yeah. So recently, the government gave us, because I'm an essential worker. Well, actually, because of my job that I do, they gave us $1,500 extra.
Okay.
So the stimulus was 14,
yes.
and then 15 for just being, essential worker, and then so like you said, I just got approved for the $8,000 loan because I'm a small business owner. Because I'm a personal caterer, so I do nursing. So I got two different business that I own. So
beautiful. Man, listen, you are on the right path. Listen. Successful people always have multiple streams of income. You see what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Multiple streams of income, and I'm not talking about jobs. Okay, I'm talking about like businesses. You feel me? So you're on the right path. You're actually on the right path. So do me a favor, right? My number is in the link. Text me.
You know, I got your number already. I've been talking to you for years. I told you that.
Yeah, but why you reach out to me?
Yeah, I've inboxed you through Messenger. My name's Jayla. That's why I said my name's Jay, Queen J. Stands for Jayla.
Jayla.
Yeah, Jayla Jackson.
Because I saw Queen J. I didn't put two and two together.
You ain't put the J together, but yes.
I didn't. Yeah, exactly.
I'm the son of Jack. You know how they say the history, the son of Jack? So I'm a Jackson. Yeah, I'm a Jackson, so I'm Jay all day. So yeah.
All right, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
But I've been in business. I've been wanting to connect with you. Like, all right, okay, now we're there.
All right. Well, listen, man. You know what? Just by you touching this platform, and it's amazing how the universe works. Because I mean, I've been literally talking to people all day because people are hitting me up like crazy, right? And then I was like, I just finished doing a presentation, and I'm like, man, I'm about to shut it down. But the spirit just told me, get on YouTube and tell people a little more about the Forex, break it down. It might be intimidating, but trust me, the market can be your friend once you learn, right?
Exactly. You're right.
I'm gonna follow the spirit, and I just got on, and boom, here you are. All right. So with that being said, I'm really proud of you for one. Again, thank you for what you're doing. And I like the fact that you have multiple streams of income. That's amazing. So you're already on the right path. Let me just show you how to take it to the next level. All right?
Okay.
Where you can actually learn.
Hey, I like how you talked about the flows of the river, because I'm Aquarius, so I'm always flowing. That's how I am. I write poetry, so I'm always flowing. I love it.
Man, that's what's up. That's what's up. Well, do me a favor. Right now, you're actually on YouTube and on Facebook at the same time. I'm multi-streaming, right? Okay. So do me a favor. Tell everybody where they could find you. If you want them to find you, don't give them your number. I'm just saying, like, whether it's Facebook or YouTube, let them know it's your Facebook. If they want to follow you, whatever the case may be, then go ahead and give them the information.
Yeah, y'all can follow me at Jackson Jayla, Jalia. On Facebook it's backwards. It's Jalia Jackson. So Instagram.
All right,
Instagram, YouTube, Queen J is YouTube.
You could go ahead and put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. You know what I mean? Let them that's fine. All right. And I'm definitely looking forward to you texting me. Okay. And my number, like I said, is actually in the link. So text me, and I'm gonna make sure I put you on.
Okay, thank you.
You'll be a great.
I'm glad you came through with the presentation.
Yes, well, thank you. Like I said, man, me too, because I just literally flowed with the spirit, and here we are. So it's a beautiful thing. Let me see what we have here. What's going on? What happened? Man, where's she at? Did she hang up? You didn't hang up, did you? Hold on for a second. I don't know what happened. I pressed something. Give me a second. Don't go anywhere, right? Because I pressed something and I don't know what happened. Woo. Okay, let me see. Solo layout. What's going on? All right, I don't know what I did. Okay, I see it says, okay, something came in the chat and then I try to press it and then all of a sudden it took you out. So let me see, come back. That's not that. That's not that. I got the comments up in here. Do me a favor. Could you just, I'm going to put that link back in there and then just come back, please, if you don't mind. Click on the link again because I don't know what happened. I apologize for that. All right. So this is, Queen Ja information. Guys, if you want to follow her, just hit her up. That's fine. But Queen Ja, do me a favor, please. Come back right in. Okay, there we go. Man, I don't know what happened. You sent me the information. I clicked on that, and all of a sudden you disappeared.
It's all good. I mean, I'm very quick with this computer stuff, so I just click right back on.
All right.
I think I did that. It was my fault. I did that.
Oh, okay. Well, good. I just posted your information for everybody to see. So anybody who want to follow you on Facebook, follow you. But like I said, hit me up. I would definitely love for you to be a part of your economic building team. And since your husband is in Nigeria, we're going to connect him and we're going to shut Nigeria down.
Oh, definitely. You already know.
All right.
So you know, I did a Facebook Live, money management.
Okay. All right.
And
perfect.
Talked about debt equals what did I say? Oh, debt equals credit. Because you know how you can use your debt that you owe, like your negative debt, you can use your debt that you owe to turn it into building your credit up to make your score higher.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, a lot of successful people, they know how to take debt and turn it into, investments, So
exactly.
I tell people, knowledge is knowledge is power, and we have to start learning these things. This is the only way we are going to escape this rat race. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So you'll be, like I said, you'll be an addition to the team. And let me welcome, because I could already see you doing it. All right. And then we'll come on here once in a while and talk to the people and just give them information.
But also I'm a Cherokee Indian, so I kind of like try to also look into what you know about our roots.
Right. Yeah. Well, as you know,
so I want to get into all of that. We might be family, like cousins down the line.
Right. Say no more, because as we know, I've been doing that for years now. You know what I mean? But I tell people,
I've been following you for years.
I appreciate that. And I tell people, you know what? Broke people have no voice. So we have to make that money, and now we can start telling our story. We can create our own platforms so that we can tell people our story. You feel me?
Yes.
All right, Ken, folks. So I'm looking forward to getting your text. Text me as soon as you get off this live right now. Text me. I'm gonna hit you back, and then tomorrow we'll see the time where I can get the information. I can talk to you, and we'll make it happen.
All right. Thanks.
Queen Ja, I appreciate it, and I will be talking to you in a few. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. All right. Talk to you in a few. All right, family. You heard Queen Ja. I'm glad, man. She's doing her thing. She's a nurse. She got her own business. She know how to turn debt into credit. I'm telling you, man, that's what I'm talking about. And I keep telling people, hey, the universe is bringing the right people to connect and build with. I'm looking for people. I'm talking about synergy. I'm not into people, oh, I'm independent. What you mean you're independent? There's no such thing. Okay? The universe was created based on interdependency. We have to depend on each other to build and move forward. Now, let me see. I'm not sure how to, I think it's Gemini, all right, was saying that let me see what he's saying or she's saying. She's saying, had a problem before. I feel so bad not knowing and not being able to figure it out. Gemini, if you want, you could be a guest. Come on, let's talk about, maybe I could, give you some information to guide you in the right direction. But, whatever I know, I'm willing to teach. Okay. That's just how I am. I don't like to hold on things to myself. Anytime I'm having success, I think that everyone deserves to at least hear what I'm having success in. So Gemini, do me a favor, please. And you could come on the call. You also said that I'm an engineer. I'm engineer background, and I would rather work for myself. been supporting myself with small home business, being a full-time mom. There's no time for being a full-time engineer. I got you, and I could show you how to get back your time. Okay, I could definitely show you how to get back your time. So Gemini, if you want to come on the call, you know, you in the link. Hey, Zazie, what's up? Big up. You know what I mean? If you want to get on the call, just go ahead and click on the link. I'll let you into the call and let's talk. All right. Again, anybody who want to be my guest, let's talk about success. And don't forget, Queen Ja, text me. Okay, I'm looking forward to your text right now. All right, just hit me up. But family, like I said, this is amazing. We are living in an amazing time. The recession don't have to be your reality. Okay, being broke don't have to be your reality. Being financially challenged don't have to be your reality. This is something that you chose. Whether you want to hear it or not, I'm just telling you what it is. Okay? You could change your life. You can change it. Okay? Literally, man. There is more than, I'm talking about $7 trillion a day being traded. Do you think that you may want a piece of that? I'm just telling you. 2 days ago, actually 3 days ago, a 23-year-old, you know, built a business. $100,000 a month, every single month. That's called residual income. You see what I'm saying? So things are real out here, and people are doing it big time. And no longer all the secrets that the banks had, the hedge funds, the billionaires that was hidden from us, the veil have been lifted. You see what I'm saying? The veil have been lifted, because I'll tell you one thing. Anytime in the universe there's a need and a want, the universe will open up and give us the answers. You just have to know this, all right? And that's why literally that information just came out. It's not that it's new, no. The Forex market have been in existence for a long time, all right? But they were hiding that away from us. And now we have the opportunity to learn this thing and become financially independent. Family, if you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for your family. You owe that to your family, your children, for crying out loud. You know what I mean? It may not be about you, but it could be about them. And it doesn't matter what your background is. What we are doing, man, listen, it don't care what your background is. It don't care what you look like. Because when you're on your phone, when you're on your computer, nobody cares what your background is, what your level of education. As long as you learn how to trade, all right, that's one aspect of it. And then you could learn to build a business and get that residual income. And like I said, anybody right now that have a job, okay, and you have a W-2, I could show you how to give yourself a raise on your job, okay? And all that stuff is legitimate, all right? Just want you to know, okay? Because the government have mandated, all right, those benefits, those deductions for people with home-based businesses, all right? And I could put you on, okay? I mean, it's funny how people waited an entire 9 months to get $900, to get $600 from the government. And they waited an extra 12 months to get another $1,400. Isn't that something? Why do you want to live your lives that way when you could literally create your own? So that's who I'm looking for, to be part of our economic group. You know what I'm saying? Economic financial building group, wealth building group is people who are willing to go out there and get their own. And it's really that simple. And that's what I'm asking the universe to bring to me, because those are the people that I want to build with. All right. So with that being said, what time is it? I'm going to be on here for like another 2 minutes. Let me put in the link again. Anybody who want to join me, come on and join me. And if not, then I'll just shut that down. I mean, I really, really enjoyed this, you know, just the fact that, man, you know, Queen Jai is doing big things like that. You know, that's really impressive, man. You know what I mean? So that's what it's about. You know what I mean? Knowing that you have to have these different streams of income, okay, but not different jobs. You see what I'm saying? Because 2 jobs is for 2 people. 3 jobs is for 3 people. So you have to create passive income so you're able to free up your time and spend more time with your family or go on vacation, whatever you want to do with your life. You know, a job you shouldn't be in a position where a job stifles you from living your life. You feel what I'm saying? While you're slaving to make somebody else wealthy. All right. So with that being said, guys, I thank you. And it's always an honor to be on here. periodically I'll come drop some more information about Forex and the chats and, you know, all the stuff that I'm learning. Okay. I'm willing to come share a little bit with you. And then you could really see how serious this market is. Okay. So you guys have a great continuation, and I will talk to you guys a little later. Let me see something real quick. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Let me write this down real quick. Ah, man, it's been a long day, but it's been a productive and a beautiful one. I'm thankful for life, man. You know, life is just so grand, you know. Life is just so beautiful. And it actually, the truth of the matter is, it can be anything that you want it to be. That's the amazing thing about life. Life is anything that you want it to be. Isn't that amazing, right? So what is that saying? Essentially is that you have a choice. Wow. Free will. You absolutely have a choice. I like that. Okay. All right, beautiful. You see, Queen J. All right. All right, guys, I'm about to shut this down. You guys are, it's 10-10, perfect timing. 10-10 wins. Everybody who looked at this live tonight and you are able to see it even after, you know, it's live, then guess what? You are a winner. Okay, so I'm gonna shut it down in 10-10 wins. Peace and love to you, and I will be talking to you guys soon.